Happy Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Hunter chilling wherever hunter to be. I hope you done dress up like a this year. You got your flag on, take no wave. For that other rest of chilling for see who we be. You understand? Because we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. This year the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So glad I want to thank my sister from Naturally Geechee, Sister Olabushala, who is able to go on yonder to Dorchester County the night we been in Florida for get this year. Let me crack the teeth with Hunter Chiller and tell you what he say. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, July 28th to August 5th, 2018. Whereas Dorchester County was the site of numerous rice plantations in the 18th century, including Middleton Plantation, Archdale Hall Plantation, the Ponds Plantation, and Coger Plantation, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as the Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as enslaved people to work on rice plantations, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on the southeastern coast of South Carolina, and whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Dorchester County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, sponsored by U.S. Representative James Clyburn and adopted by Congress, and whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions that the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Dorchester County Council does hereby recognize the 2018 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaims the week of July 28th through August the 5th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Dorchester County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. And you see, it is signed by the Dorchester County Council Chairman. Thank you for this year, Dorchester County. If Hunter Chiller will join we for the rest of this year celebration, go on to gullahgeechee.info. If Hunter want to go on to gullahgeechee.info and follow we at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and on Instagram. Hunter Chiller, it going to be a time. We so glad Hunter know who Hunter to be. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.